It's a bloody good day to plant a tree. Woo! We're buckled in. G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to my planting site where we're going to be putting in a few more trees, including this beautiful hoop pine, which is going to get a little bit of extra special treatment in its planting, this baobab and a few eucalyptus. So have the hoop pine planted finally after about 40 minutes. The rain has cleared up, still drizzling a bit, but as you can see the fog has moved in. Now the soil is basically just clay. There are bits where it's slightly loamy, but predominantly it's really just thick red clay. I have seen these hoop pines planted in clay soils and they're huge. And so I know that they'll survive, but obviously it's not what they want. They want free draining soil, but this is what we've got. So anyway, the hole was dug probably about 2 feet deep, and then I put in a mixture of compost and of potting mix and just mix that in with the clay just to give it a little bit of a boost. The soil is very wet at the moment, so the roots will be able to penetrate, which is really good. And then I've put in some grass clippings and some straw as well, and put in this nice barrier just because we have kangaroos here and we have rabbits and they are bloody pests. So I really wanted this tree to survive because I've raised it since it was a little baby, a little seedling, so really want it to thrive. Okay, got the baobab in. This is the second baobab I've planted here. I planted the other one a few months ago. Beautiful. If you don't know what they are, Google them. They are a fantastic tree. It's a 1 or 2 species native to Australia. I've got a native one in. You can see I'm a little bit muddy and wet. The water is coming down from the sky. It's raining a lot. And these guys were planted a few years ago and they're boosting. Some of them are 8 or 9 feet tall, probably more actually. And they go right up the top. And see, a little bit of a height comparison. I'm standing just there, just about there. There's a good 4 or 5 feet of extra height up there, and I'm nearly 6 foot. Here's the other baobab. I wish you could see the base. It is a good inch or two thick, and that's only a few months old. Some new growth coming up there. That'll happen in spring, in a few weeks time. But yeah, this is looking really happy. So, little update on that one. And here are the Tasmanian blue gums. They are looking very happy. I planted 3 of them. And we have a few more up here, just eucalypts. 3 more just behind that ridge. Across there you can see the tree guards. There's some beautiful red gums. And you see in the distance there, I'm gonna make the camera go out of focus. Zoom in. Just there, there's one. And somewhere in there, I can't find it. But yeah, they're all doing great, so that's fantastic news. So as you can see, this hillside's really coming along, guys. You can see all of the trees. There's a hoop pine I just planted and the baobab. And then there's another baobab there, and then the rest are eucalyptus. Like a bloody vacuum. Can't get it off.